Yes, good morning students. Good morning one and all. Welcome to the mathematics class. So today we are going to revise the topic number system. This is a revision class of the number system. So what we have to revise in this class actually? So we have to discuss our assignment 1. So we took one assignment 1 worksheet, no? Okay. So almost all the students you have completed your worksheet, I think assignment 1. So that answer part we have to discuss today. Whatever doubts you are having in assignment 1 that is related to number system chapter, that we'll discuss in this class. Okay. Yes, are you all ready to see the solutions of the assignment 1? So that day only I informed, no? So which problem you are having confusion, only that problem will work out on the board. Remaining problem will explain on the page screening. Okay. Yes, starting one to second problem, third problem and all very simple questions only. Just we'll discuss the answer with the help of page sharing. Okay. So then rationalize the denominator. Some students messaged me that once again explain the concept rationalizing the denominator. Yes, of course, I'm ready to explain that rationalization of the denominator. So now let us share the page for you. In that first simple topics and all will revise and come fast. Okay. Yes. Yes. Is it visible now students? Visible now? Okay. See assignment 1. Assignment 1 is related to number system. So the first question is, what is that first question? 1 second. Okay. Express each of the following in the P by Q form. The first main question is express each of the following in the P by Q form. So next, P by Q form conversion you all know. Here first question is 0.675. There is no repeating block or no bar on the numbers. Okay. So then this is a simple terminating decimal expansion. How to represent terminating decimal expansion in P by Q form? You have learned in your smaller classes also. 0.675. If we want to express this in the P by Q form, then how can you express this in the P by Q form? 675 divided by 1000. Okay, got the idea of this problem? 675 divided by 1000. This is the P by Q form of 0.675. Now let us come to the second question. Okay. See, if you are having any confusion while discussing, you can raise your hands. Okay. You can ask your doubt or you can send the message also. Mataji, please, once we want to discuss something about this topic, then we'll stop sharing. Okay. So then we'll give the time for the discussion. Otherwise, I'll continue. So, second question is 0.32 bar. Here bar is there. Okay, 32 bar. What it indicates actually? 0.32 bar. It indicates that 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 is continuing up to infinity. 2 is in the repeating block. Okay, so now how to convert this into P by Q form? So there is one method. First we have to take this given problem in the form of x. X is equal to 0.32 bar. You all know this concept, right now? Yes. Next, in the repeating block actually only one digit is there. Only one digit. So I'll multiply this with 10. Okay. 10x which is equal to 10 into 0.32 bar. Then 10x is equal to 10 into 0.32 bar. Then this point will transfer to this side only into 10. So 3.2222 so on up to infinity. Now 10x which is equal to, we have to split this 3.22 in the form of one number plus x. X is 0.32. So we have to subtract this x from this 3.222 bar. Then we'll get 2.9. So 2.9 plus 0.32 bar will get 3.222. So we have splitted this 3.222 in the form of 2.9 plus x. Okay, then transfer this x to this side. Then 10x minus x is equal to 2.9. Then 10x minus x is equal to 9x. 9x is equal to 2.9. Then x is equal to 2.9 divided by 9. 2.9 by 9. So, but here it is a decimal. We don't want decimal here, 2.9. So then what we have to do here? We have to multiply it divided into 10 into 10. So here I'll show. Here for both numerator and denominator, we have to multiply by 10. Okay, here also divided by, here also 9 into 10. So that 2.9 into 10 which gives 29, 9 into 10, okay, 90. So the P by Q form of 0.32 bar which is equal to 29 divided by 90. Got the idea of this problem? No, you all know this method, okay? I think you have got the right answer. See, if you got the different answer, you have to once raise your hand. Okay, Mataji, some correction is there. Then you have to discuss. Okay. Now let us move on to the third problem. Okay, third problem is like this. 0.123 bar. Again bar. Okay, bar is on 3. 3 is repeating. 3 is in the repeating block. 0.12333333 so on up to infinity. Same to same step. X is equal to 0.123 bar. Then here. So why we have to here 3 bar is there, no? How can we take this 3 bar? So can we multiply by 100x here? 100x ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ actually? So 0.123 bar into 100 which is equal to ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದಿದು ಎರಡು ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 12.3333 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So next 100x which is equal to 12.333 which is equal to what is this actually 1121 gap ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ actually gap ಇದೆ 1121 plus x. So ಈ 12.333 ಅಲ್ಲಿ just subtract this x 0.123 ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1121 plus x ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು x ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಇದರೊಳಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ 100x minus x is equal to 1121. Is it a point here? Point I think. Yes. ಲೈಟ್ ಪೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. 12.333 minus 0.123. Can you subtract that one? Yeah, we'll get 11.21. 11.21. Okay, 11.21 plus x. 11.21 plus x. Then 100x minus x is equal to 11.21. 100x minus x is 99x which is equal to 11.21. Then x is equal to 11.21 divided by 99. After the point, 2 digits are there. So we have to multiply by 100 divided by 100. Then 1121 divided by 9900. Got the idea of this one? So you have to correct this one actually. Correction in the sense just gap ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 11.21. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 100x ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಾದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಈ 12.33 ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ x ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಬರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ x ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು x ನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ 12.333. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ನೋ? Yes. So this is about the third problem. So next page. Next. See here. 0.00352 bar. See, all are getting the same answer, no? Yes, once again we'll ask for the participants. Yes, do you have any confusion regarding the first three main? How many of you got the same answer for the first three mains? Whatever we shared now. So did you got the same answers? Raise your hands. How many of you got the same to same answers? Raise your hands fast. Yes, Aditya Hegde. Yes. No one is raising the hands. Why? You all got the different answer for these questions. Hello, we are waiting for your answer. Tell me fatafat. Yes. Danya. Danya.
Mataji.
Did you got the same answers, Danya?
No, different answers.
Different answers. Chaya.
Yes.
Chaya. Chaya. Chaya, I got third one different answer. 1 second. Let us verify that one. Let us verify. 1 second, students. Let us verify the third answer. Yes. Yes, students. See the first main third question. So we are going to repeat here because there is a small mistake in the page. What is that actually into 100? So only one number is there in the repeating block. So we have to multiply this by 10. Okay. So x is equal to 0.123 bar. So only one digit is there in the repeating block. In the sense we have to multiply by 10x. 10 into x which is equal to 10x. Then 10 into 0.123 bar. Okay. So next step. 10x which is equal to, here what we'll get actually 1.2333 so on up to infinity, or you can write 1.233 bar. So now 10x which is equal to, now we have to split this in the form of some number plus x. Okay, so then how can we guess this number actually? So we have to subtract x from this product, that is 1.2333 bar, then 0.1233. So we have to subtract like this. Okay, so this gives the revision part of this conversion of p by q. Just listen carefully. 1.2333, so on up to infinity. Then from this 1.2333 you just subtract this x. Okay, you just subtract this x, then you will get your 0, 0, 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1, then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, then 1. So 1.11 1.11 plus x. Okay, 1.11 plus x. Next step, 10x, take this x to this side, minus x which is equal to 1.11. Yes, now 9x which is equal to 1.11, then where x is equal to 1.11 divided by 9, x is equal to, so here we into 100 divided by 100. So 111 divided by 900. Is it a right answer, students? Did you got the same answer? Yes. How many of you got this answer? Raise your hands. How many of you got this answer? Yes, Kritika, you got 111 divided by 900. Yes, Sushrita, Danya, Anushri, all are getting the same answer. Yes, right. Correct. Abhiram also got the same answer. Yes, very good, students. Okay. So this is the solution actually. See, in the repeating block, if you are following this method, so listen carefully. If you are following this method, then you have to see the repeating block actually. In the repeating block, how many digits are there? So only one digit is there. Then you have to multiply by 10. If the repeating block is in 2, 3, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದು 2, 3 ಮೇಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 1, 2, 3 ಮೇಲಿತ್ತು ಬಾರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು 1000. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ repeating block numbers. Okay, digits of the repeating block. Is that clear, students? Now you got the idea of this question, no? Okay, let us see the next question. What happened in the next question actually? In the next question also same thing happened, right? No? Yeah, Vaishnavi, you have to correct that problem. Okay, Vaishnavi? Yes, here also same type. Yes, only 52 is, only for 52 bar is there, no, students? Only for 52 bar is there, no? Yes? So here what we have to do, into 100 we have to do. What answer we'll get in the last? So here we have to do with the multiplication of 100. So what answer we'll get for this question? Message me fast. 0.00352 bar. So bar for 52. So bar for 52, no? Bar for 52 only. Only 2 digits are there in the repeating block. Then what we have to do here? So we have to multiply this x and this 0.00352 for 100. We have to multiply it for 100, no? Yes. So what answer we'll get for this question? Will not work out this question. Okay. So you have to work out. What answer you will get, we'll discuss. 0.349 divided by 99, but you cannot keep the answer in the decimal expansion, Aditya. Yes, what final answer you got? Kritika or Danya, Chaya, Aryan? Yes, 349 by 99,000. Okay, let us check the answer. Answer 349 by 99,000. Really? How many of you got the answer for that question? 349 by 99,000. Yes, very good. Yes, all are telling that 349 by 99,000. So, okay, let us discuss this problem also. Let us discuss this problem also. So, okay. Which question actually? 0.00352 bar for 52. 52. Okay, bar for 52. So we'll explain this problem also. There is a small correction in this page. Okay. So Vaishnavi, you just do that correction. Okay, after the class. Okay, so now here you just listen. X is equal to 0.003525252 in the repeating block. Okay, now only two digits are there in the repeating block, in the sense we have to multiply this by 100, then 100 into 0.035252 so on up to infinity. Then 100x, which is equal to, here 100 into this, in the sense this point will be jumped to this side, no? So then what will get? 0.35252. Right now, same answer you got. Actually 0.00 point will be jumped to this side. So 0.3525252. Then 100x, which is equal to, now we have to split this number. 0.35252. Then your x is actually 0.00352. Okay, so next subtraction. 0 0 in a 12. If we subtract 3, how much remaining actually? 9. Then here 4. Then 3. Yes, 0.349. Okay, 0.349 plus x. 0.349. So this plus x, which gives this one, then 100x minus x is equal to 0.349. Then here 99x is equal to 0.349. So then x is equal to 0.349 divided by 99. Then which number we have to take for both numerator and denominator for the multiplication? Yes, which number we have to take? 1, 2, 3. So into 1000 divided by 1000. Then what you will get actually? X is equal to 349. So x is equal to 349 divided by 99,000. X is equal to 349 divided by 99,000. Got the idea of this problem, no? You got the revision part of this question, right? Yes. So next question. We'll move on to the next question. So that is fifth question. See the fifth question. 4.32 bar. So bar is for 32. Yes, two digits are there in the repeating block. So first step is right. X is equal to 4.32 bar. Then we have to multiply here by 100x because the repeating block contains two digits, no? So 100x, which is equal to 4.32 bar into 100. Then 100x is equal to 432.3232 so on. Then 100x is equal to, when we split this number, then we got the step as 428 plus x here. Then take this x to this side, 100x minus x is equal to 428 here. So then 99x is equal to 428. Then x is equal to 428 divided by 99. How many of you got the 428 divided by 99? Raise your hands fast. How many of you got 428 divided by 99 as a P by Q form for 4.32 bar? Yes. How many of you got the answer? Pranati. Okay, then Sushrita. Yes, Sushrita. Sushrita. Sushrita.
Yes, Mataji.
Did you got the same answer, Sushrita? 428 by 99?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, okay. Yes, next.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Purna Chandra. Purna Chandra. Yes, Purna Chandra. 428 divided by 99. Purna Chandra. Purna Chandra. Yes, all are raising your hands in the sense you have got 428 by 99 only. Got the idea of this topic now, students? Yes. Now let us move on to the next problem. Let us see what happened here. 2.317, so on up to. In the sense repeating block 317, 317, 317. How many digits are there? Total 3 digits are there. In the sense we have to multiply this by 100 only. Okay, sorry, not 100, 1000, no? Yes. First step is x is equal to 2.317, 317, 317, so on up to infinity. Then we have to multiply both sides by 1000x, okay? Because in the repeating block there is a 3 digit 1000x, 1000x is correct agide problem. Yes, 1000x is equal to here when we multiply here 2317.317. Then when we split this one, idralli ನೀವು x ನ subtract ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ term ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ 2315 plus x split ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ then transfer this x to this side 1000x minus x is equal to 2315, then 999x is equal to 2315, then x is equal to 2315 divided by 999. How many of you got the same answer? Yes, how many of you got 2315 divided by 999? Yes, all you got the same answer? Yes. So, I'm very happy to see you are raising your hands because you have completed the problem. So, I'm feeling happy actually. Yes, got the same answer. No, only 2 problems she took the wrong, actually 10 and 100. Vaishnavi, you just correct that one. Okay, Vaishnavi, no problem. Okay, so you can paste here one small page you paste, or here only you can correct that one. Okay, here you can just strike out this step and all. So then you can do your correction. Okay, not a problem. Yes. See, got the idea of this question now? How to convert this into P by Q form? Let us move further. Yes, so now we have to discuss the second main question. Okay, first main you have got the clear picture now? Yes, now second main is like this. Find 2 irrational numbers and 2 rational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55. Okay, 2 irrational numbers also we have to write and 2 rational numbers also we have to write. 0.5 and 0.55. 2 rational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55 are 0.51 and 0.52. Can we take that one actually? 0.51 and 0.52. For this question, you will get different answers, right? Because the question is only like that. Okay, you can write 2 irrational numbers and 2 rational numbers in different way. Okay, in between, but the condition must be 0.5 and 0.55. In between that number only, we have to write the 2 rational numbers and 2 irrational numbers. Yes, of course, 0.51. Is it a rational number? Yes, of course, this is a terminating decimal expansion. So, revision part is going on. Terminating, which is under the rational group only. 0.52 is also terminating decimal expansion. When we express this 0.51 in the form of P by Q, then 51 divided by 100. Here 52 divided by 100. So, this is a rational number only. Example for the rational number 0.51 and 0.52. So next 2 irrational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55. In the number system chapter we discussed actually how to write the irrational number. Irrational number in the sense non-terminating, non-recurring type you have to write. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So the group must be not repeating group. So how to write that one? In between 0.5 and 0.55. So here she took the first example as 0.50, 500, 5000, 5 into 40, then 550. So here we are observing the 0 is repeating actually, but not in the repeating block now. Correct uniformity is there. Is there uniformity in the repeating block? No. Here only 1 0 is there. Here 2 0. So this gives the non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. In the sense this is irrational number. So we can observe the three types of decimal expansion. One is terminating decimal expansion. Second one is non-terminating, recurring decimal expansion. And third one is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. So first and second, which is under the rational group, okay. But the last one, non-terminating and non-recurring group, which is in the group of irrational. So here, second one, 0.51, 510, 5100, 51000, 51000. Okay, you can write in your way. Okay, you can write any type of irrational number. You have to maintain that. So its range must be 0.5 and 0.55. Okay, you cannot cross that range, but in between you can form any type of number pattern. 512, 5122, 51222, 512222, like that you can continue. Okay, got the idea of this problem now? You have got the same to same answer. How many of you got the same answer for this question? Actually, I took different number. Okay, yes, I told no. For this question, you will get different answer, not a problem. You just verify two rational numbers. In the sense you have to write the terminating or non-terminating repeating block you have to take, or you can take for the irrational number non-terminating non-recurring number you have to take. Got the idea of this question now? Yes, now let us take the third main. So for this question, some students asked the explanation part. Okay, so this problem I want to explain on the board only, because many students asked, please Mataji, once revise, rationalize the denominator topic. Okay, so here the question is, simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. You all know rationalization. What is that rationalization actually? If in the denominator irrational number is there, then we have to convert the irrational denominator into rational denominator. This process of conversion is called as rationalizing the denominator. Okay, here the question is, first question is, 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 minus 3 root 5. 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 minus 3 root 5. Let us stop sharing. Okay, I'll explain this topic on the board only. Yes, what is the first step? We have to decide the rationalizing factor, RF of this one. RF stands for rationalizing factor. What is RF of this one? That is 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 minus 3 root 5. Okay, so into that RF we have to multiply both for numerator and denominator. That RS is nothing but we have to say the denominator, whatever present in the denominator, for that opposite sign we have to take as a RF. Okay, here 7 minus 3 root 5 is there, then we have to take 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 plus 3 root 5. Got the idea of this one? This is stands for the RF of this one. Okay, next step. 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 minus 3 root 5 into 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 plus 3 root 5. Now, numerator into numerator multiplication, here denominator and denominator multiplication. What we are observing in the numerator, 7 same, plus same, 3 root 5 same. So same to same expression with the same sign in the sense, here we are observing a plus b whole square identity. Then we have to write it in the form of 7 plus 3 root 5 whole square divided by, here 7 same, minus plus opposite sign, but 3 root 5 same. So terms are same with the opposite sign, then it indicates the formula a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Got the idea of this one? So here we have to apply a square, that is 7 square, minus b square, that is 3 root 5 whole square. In bracket, you can write the formula a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, now next step. Here we have to apply a plus b whole square formula. That is a square. A square is 7 square plus 2 into a value is 7. B value is 3 root 5. Okay, plus b square. B value is 3 root 5 the whole square divided by 7 square is 49 minus, here you have to be very careful. Listen properly. 3 root 5 whole square, in the sense this square is applicable for 3 separately, root 5 separately. First you apply square for 3. 3 square is 9 into. Then you apply square for root 5. Square root cancel. 9 into 5. Got the idea? Okay. So then next step. Here we'll work out the next step here. So here we have to write the formula. Here which formula we used actually? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square formula we used actually. So next step, what is that next step? 7 square is 49 plus here. See here. See 7 2s are 14. 14 into 3 root 5. What answer you will get? 14 into 3 root 5. Medini. 14 into 3 root 5. What answer will get? Here 2 into 7 into 3 root 5. What answer will get for this step actually? 2 into 7 into 3 root 5. What answer? First, you have to participate in the class. 2 into 7 into 3 root 5. What product will get actually? 2 into 7 into 3 root 5. Yes. 42 root 5. Yes, very good Aditya. 42 root 5. See, we cannot multiply this 42 into 5 because root 5 is there. Okay. Only we can multiply this 2 into 7. Then 2 sevens are 14. 14 threes are 42. Got the idea of this one? Yes, very good. Thank you. 42 root 5 plus. Now tell me 3 root 5 whole square. 3 root 5 whole square. Just now we discussed now here. 3 root 5 whole square is 9 into 5 we got actually in the numerator. So 9 5s are, what is that? 45 divided by 49 minus 45. 49 minus 45. Got the idea of this one? Next. Here 49 and 45 we can add, no? We cannot add this 42.5 with these numbers, because these numbers does not contain any root or root 5 numbers, no? So now 49 plus 45 how much? Yes, 49 plus 45. 49 plus 45 I am asking. 49 plus 45. Yes, 94 plus 42 root 5. 42 root 5 divided by 49 minus 45, which is equal to 49 minus 45, which is equal to 4. Yes, tell me. Don't hesitate, okay? Yes, next. 94 plus 42 root 5 divided by 4. Can you simplify further? Can we simplify further? Yes, of course, we got the rational denominator. You just observe that this beginning step, 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 7 minus 3 root 5. Here, irrational denominator. Now, the denominator is converted as rational number. But we have to see the option. Simplification is possible or not. For 94, 42, can we take anything common factor outside? Which number is common there? Is it a multiples of 4? 92, 94 and 42, is it a multiples of 4? We have to check. So no, then we can remove 2 outside. Okay, yes, 2 we can remove outside as a common factor. If we remove 2 outside, then 2 into dash, which is equal to 94. 2 dash are 94. 2 dash are 94. Yes, fast. 2 dash are 94. 47s are, very good. 47s are plus 42. In that already 2 is a common factor. Next, 2 dash are 42. 2 dash are 42. 21s are. Yes, 21 root 5 divided by 4. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the answer is 47 plus 21 root 5 divided by 2. Is it a final answer, students? Is it a final answer? Yes, no? Further we cannot simplify. Further we cannot move. Okay, so this is the final answer for this question. Rationalize the denominator. How many of you got this answer? Raise your hands. How many of you got this answer? Yes, Sushrita. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, ನೀವು ಪಕ್ಕ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. Rationalize the denominator concept ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಎಸ್ 47 plus 21 root 5 divided by 2. Very good students. Yes, I will correct it. Okay. ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, yes, let us move on to next problem now. Now today it is not possible to finish. Okay,
Can you hear me?
yeah, yes, Shreya.
Mataji,
Hi.
We stop simplification in 94 plus 42 root 5.
Divided by 4. Yes, very good. Then what happens actually? Half marks cut in the examination actually. Okay, we'll cut half marks, Shreya, for that because we need the final simplified answer. Okay, you can keep 94 plus 42 root 5 divided by 4, but the perfect answer is, so if it is possible to simplify, then you must simplify that one. Okay, because whatever answer we have to keep in this problem, no, that must be a simplified answer. So half marks will be cut for the examination. Okay, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, 94 42 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂಚೂರು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಾ? Okay, yes. See here, 47 plus 21 root 5 divided by 2. Yes, Vaishnavi has also got the same answer for this question. Yes, let us move on to the next problem now. Okay, second one. I think no need to explain this second one on the board now. Here only we'll discuss. So if we find out any mistake, then we'll correct here only. Okay. Now look at this page very carefully. Now let us discuss the second problem now. Okay, second question is also like same to same problem. Rationalize the denominator of 2 root 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3. So here for both numerator and denominator, we have to multiply by the RF, rationalizing factor. Here the denominator is 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3. So the RF is 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. For both numerator and denominator, we have to multiply by 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. So next step, numerator into numerator multiplication, denominator into denominator multiplication. Here you just observe, here it is different term, there different term. We cannot apply any a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply each and every term with these terms. Okay. So now let us start from 2 root 3 multiplication. 2 root 3 into, so here we have to write bracket very carefully. So 1 second, I think here some mistake is there. Let us work out this problem on the board only. No need to waste the time, no? Yes, this problem also I'm going to explain. See here. Fatafat I'll explain. You just see the steps, okay? The problem is 2 root 3 minus root 5. Second problem, 2 root 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 2. Let us verify the answer last, okay? 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3. Okay, stop sharing this one. Okay, now look at this one. So 2 root 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3. Here RF, that is 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. Got the idea of this step? Okay, yes, next step. This into this and this into this. Multiplication. First I'll start from this one. This into this, then this into this, then this into this, then this into this. Okay, let us start with 2 root 3 into 2 root 2. What happened actually? Here 2 2s are 4. Then root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Then 2 root 3 into minus 3 root 3 minus 2 3s are 6. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Next step will remove the root 9. Okay. Then we'll start with this one. Minus root 5 into 2 root 2. 2 root 10. Then minus into minus plus. Root 5 into 3 root 3. That is 3 root 15. Divided by. Here. This 2 root 2, 2 root 2 same. 3 root 3, 3 root 3 same. But opposite sign. A plus B into A minus B. That is equal to A square minus B square. A square. That is 2 root 2 whole square. Minus B square. 3 root 3 whole square. Okay. So, got the idea now? Got the correct steps now? Next step. So, next step is 4 root 6 minus 6 into root 9 value is 3 minus 2 root 10 plus 3 root 15 divided by 2 root 2 whole square. What answer you will get for 2 root 2 whole square? 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2 minus here 3 square is 9, then root 3 square is 3 only. Okay, what is the next step actually? 4 root 6. 4 root 6 minus, okay, 18 minus 2 root 10 plus 3 root 15 divided by 4 2s are 8 minus 9 3s are 27. Next step. Can we split root 6? Can we split root 6? Yes, Aryan, you have messaged me that 8. 8. Okay. Next, 4 root 6. 3 2s are 6. No, will not get any perfect square number. 4 root 6, 4 root 6 only. Minus 18, no other like terms. Root 10 and split madboda. 5 2s are 10, but 5 and 2 both are not a perfect square number. We cannot split that one. Okay. Then 3 root 15. 15 split madboda. Barodilla, square number barodilla. 3 root 15 divided by 8 minus 27. How much? 8 minus 27. How much? 8 minus 27. How much? Yes, minus 19. Can we simplify further? Can we simplify further? You just check. Can we simplify further? You just check this one. No. Is this final answer, students? How many of you got this answer? Raise your hands. How many of you got this answer? Aditya, yes. Aryan, okay, Danya, all are raising your hand. Let us see what happened here in this page. I think she also got the same answer only. Yes. Yes, correct. Okay, now a small mistake is there. Small mistake. 4 root 6 she got the right answer. Minus 2 root 5 she got actually. Minus 18 correct. 3 root 5 she got actually. 3 root 15 minus 19. Okay, so Vaishnavi, afterwards you just correct that one, okay? Small mistakes. I think in the multiplication part mistake is there. Okay, afterwards you correct this one. Is that okay? Okay, so now, this one is right now. 4 root 6 minus root 18 minus 2 root 10 plus 3 root 15 divided by minus 19. Okay, yes. Next question now. Yeah, simplify. This is the simplest problem. So we'll finish this one, okay? So I think today is not possible to finish the whole assignment. Let us spend one more day. Tomorrow also I'll ask the question class with the Divya Mataji, okay? Tomorrow we can finish. So are you getting the revision of the first chapter number system? Okay, nice now? Yes. Now look at this problem. Simplify. So simplify. Question is like this. Simplify. So simplify 3 root 5. I'll explain one problem on the board. 3 root 5. So then plus of minus root 5. Then plus root 180. plus root 180. Okay, so now we have to simplify this one. Another second problem, root 54 plus root 150. I'll explain this one on the screen only, but this problem I'll explain. First one I'll explain like this only. Okay, yes. First main. 3 root 5 is 3 root 5 only. Plus into minus, we have to remove this bracket. Minus root 5 plus root 180. Can you split root 180 in the form of one number, square number, another one number, normal number? How can we split 180? Fatafat. How can we split 180? 180 ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು 6 ರೂಟ್ 5 ಬರ್ತದ ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 6 ರೂಟ್ 5 ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಂಟು ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ which two numbers we have to take as a product which gives 180 ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ yes table I need the two digits there 36 into 5. Yes, correct. 36 5s are. 36 into 5. Thank you so much, Aditya. Yes, we can split 36 5s as 180. No? 36 is a perfect square number, then 5 is a least number. Okay. Yes, now what is next? Here 3 root 5. We cannot simplify. 3 root 5 minus root 5. See, here only we can subtract now this one, student. Okay, 3 root 5 minus root 5. Later we'll subtract. 3 root 5 minus root 5 plus root 36 into 5. We can remove root 36 outside, that is 6 root 5. Now you just verify. Root 5, root 5, root 5. All these are like terms now. So then we can apply the addition or subtraction operation here. Yes, first one. 3 root 5 minus root 5. Can we subtract this one? 3 root 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ root 5 ಅನ್ನು subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 2 root 5 plus 6 root 5. Then 2 root 5 plus 6 root 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 root 5. Yes, how many of you got this 8 root 5 answer for this question? How many of you got 8 root 5? Yes, all got 8 root 5. Here in the screen also same to same answer is there. 8 root 5. Okay, yes. So next problem you see here, fourth main. Okay, fourth main, second one. Root 54 plus root 150, we have to simplify this one. So same to same, root 54 we have to split. So 9 6 is a 9 is a perfect square number. Then 150, 25 6 is a 150 we can remove in the form of 25 6 is a. So here we are maintaining root number same 6 6. That type you have to think while splitting. Okay, then when we remove this root 9 outside, 3 root 6 plus here 25 root is 5 root 6, 3 root 6 plus 5 root 6, that is, so how much 3 root 6 plus 5 root 6, see here operation on real number, root number same, root 6, then only we can apply the addition or subtraction operation. Then 3 root 6 plus 5 root 6 together 8 root 6. Yes, how many of you got the same answer 8 root 6 for this question? Yes, first. How many of you got the same answer 8 root 6? Raise your hands. Almost. 9 into 20 nu barutte Mataji. Okay, 9 into 20 nu bartada. Where 9 into 20? Okay, let us discuss what is that message actually. Chatting box. Now Pranav Bhatt 9 into 20 nu bartade 9 into 20 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ let us discuss ಎಲ್ಲಿ 9 into 20 ಬರ್ತದಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ 9 into 20 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ okay yes now let us move on to the next main. Give an example for each of the two irrational numbers whose difference is a rational number and for second one difference is an irrational number. Okay, give an example for each of the two irrational numbers whose difference is a rational number. I think this one for that you will get different number. Now give an example for each of the two irrational numbers whose difference is a rational number. So you have to choose two different irrational number, but the irrational number difference is rational number. See here, she took actually 7 plus root 2, right now, irrational number, minus 4 plus root 2. This is also irrational number. Difference between them, 7 plus root 2, let us remove this bracket, minus 4, minus into plus is minus root 2. Okay, 7 plus root 2, minus 4, minus root 2. Okay, then here plus root 2 minus root 2 get cancelled. 7 minus 4 which gives 3. 3 is a rational number. See here, difference of the two irrational numbers, we got the answer as rational numbers. Got the idea of this question? Okay, we have to give the two irrational number such that the difference is rational number. So this is a perfect answer. Next, difference is an irrational number. We have to take the two irrational number. Difference is irrational number ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. Then which type of numbers we have to take here? 3 root 2. Yes, of course, 3 root 2 is irrational. Minus root 2. Root 2 is also irrational. 3 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. Yes, 3 root 2, yes, 2 root 2. Yes, 3 root 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ just 1 root 2 subtract ಆದರೆ 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is again irrational. Got the idea of this concept, students? Difference is an irrational number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, question ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Give an example for each of two irrational numbers ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು, ಆ ಎರಡು irrational ನಂಬರ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎರಡನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಎರಡು irrational ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. 4 root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. Let us see the operation. Bracket remove ಮಾಡಿ. 4 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. Then root 3 cancel. ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಈ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು. Yes, 4 plus 3 is 7. Sum is rational number. Yes, of course, right answer. Got the idea of this question, students? Do you want explanation for this question? No, no. You can think. Logical thinking is very important. Okay, next, this main is not over. Sum is an irrational number. ಸಮ್ಮು ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಎರಡು ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಮ್ಮು ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 5 root 2 plus root 2. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 5 root 2 root 2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 root 2. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಶಿ ಟುಕ್ 3 root 2 and 3 root 2. Both are irrational only. Irrational only. Okay, 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. Then 3 3s are 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. Then 9 2s are 18. Here you can take different number also. No, can you tell me this one? Product is a rational number ಗೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 root 2 into ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 4 root 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು, 5 root 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. You can take different two irrational numbers also. 3 root 2 and 4 root 2. 4 3s are 12. Then root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. So you will get different answer. Got the idea of this question now? Yes. Product is an irrational number. Product irrational ಬರಬೇಕು. Then root 3 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Product is also irrational because root 15 is also irrational. Root 16 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ rational ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು because root 16 perfect square number is 4. Correct no? Yes. Next, quotient is a rational number. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಟೂ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ quotient must be rational ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ರೂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. 6 root 5 divided by 3 root 5. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, the answer is 2. Quotient is 2 no? Yes. Now quotient is an irrational number. Then root 6 by root 3. Root 6 also perfect square ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್. ರೂಟ್ 6 ಅನ್ನ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 3. ರೂಟ್ 3 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್. Got the idea of this question, students? How many of you got the idea of this question? Raise your hands fast. Yes, how many of you got the idea? How many of you got the idea? I think so. Next class They are waiting. 1 second. Yes, got the idea, no student? This main simple, no? Students, do you want to discuss anything with this question now? Time is yours. You can speak now. Yes, fast. Do you want to discuss anything? This one. This is, you can give any type of examples for this. You don't want to stick on this examples only. Actually, this is her way of thinking actually. ಅವಳು ಯಾವ irrational number ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೋ ಅದು ಅವಳು thinking. You can choose your different irrational numbers example. So, ಎರಡು irrational number ನೇ choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But answer ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು choose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. So, do you have any confusion regarding this question, students? So, if you are having any confusion, so we'll discuss this one. Otherwise, we can end the meeting today. So, tomorrow we'll discuss the remaining part. Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay. Yes. ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರ್ದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ? ಅಪ್ ಟು 5th main no doubts. Up to 5th main no doubts. No Mataji. Okay, then one more thing I want to correct here. So one small printing mistake is there in the question paper. You just correct that one, students. Okay, one question is there. No, which question? I'll tell the number also. You just correct that question and try to work out now. So the almost all the students, they are not having the perfect answer for that question because the question we have to change for that. I'll change the question today only. So tomorrow we'll discuss the answer for that question. Okay. See which question. Okay. Question number in the sheet. Question number 18. You just see that question number 18. Question number 18, second one, B. In that B. Question number 18, in that B, actually, so question number 18 in that B, 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 is equal to half A plus 3B root 15. How many of you got the answer for this question? Raise your hands fast. How many of you got the answer for this question? 18, second one. Find the value of A and B. Actually, question is A and B. How many of you got A and B value? Please raise your hands. Yes. 1 second. We'll speak with our kids. Aditya, did you got the answer for this question, Aditya?
Majay, I have not written.
Anudeep, Ankit, Ankit, did you got the answer
Mataji, I
for
have
these questions?
also doubt in that problem.
You have doubt in that problem. Aryan, Anushri. What about Aryan and Anushri?
Actually, doubt.
Doubt. Okay. Chaya, Chinmay, Bhumika. You can speak. You just unmute yourself fast. Yes, Kritika. You are also having doubt in the same question. Kritika?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Yes, Parag, Lakshmish, Nandan. Yes, doubt. Pranati, Pranav Bhatt, Pranav Hegde, Rachita Bhatt, Sambrama. All are having confusion in this question only. So, we worked out this problem actually. Here will not get actually proper A and B for this question. So, we have to take the different question for this. We will not get A and B value in this question. Okay, we cannot find the solution for this question. So that's why, so I think there is a small mistake in that question. I'll change the question. You just rewrite the 18th one, second one question in the form of root 5 plus root 3. You just correct that question. Root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3, which is equal to A plus B root 15. Now you take this type of question, okay? A plus B root 15. You just change that second question, 18th main second question as root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 is equal to A plus B root 15. Can you try now? Can you find out A and B value now? Okay, you just try. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss the solution of the remaining problems. Mataji? Okay, how can we? Yes. Got the idea of this one? No, 18th one, you just correct the problem. So you just take the problem in the form of root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. A is equal to A plus B root 15. So remaining problem we'll discuss tomorrow. In tomorrow's class, anyhow, we have to finish. So in tomorrow's class, we can finish almost all next same to same questions only. Rationalization only I'll explain on the board. Is that clear, students? Yes? Okay, meet you on tomorrow. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell. For that, just I'll stop that recording version. Okay, recording version is not necessary. 1 second. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Yes, now recording.